Do you often struggle to find important information and feel like your brain is playing tricks on you? Whether you're a seasoned pro or a bright-eyed student, we all know the struggle of staying focused and remembering important details. But fear not, my friend. A sharp memory and a focused mind are the keys to unlocking success, no matter what your goals may be. So why settle for being forgetful and scattered? Let's work together to boost your brain power and achieve greatness. Do you often forget important details and struggle to stay focused when completing important tasks? Well, get ready to become a memory and concentration champ because we're about to unleash 10 powerful methods to boost your cognitive function. In this two-part series, we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of enhancing your brain power. In Part 1, we'll cover the first 5 tips to get you started on the path to a sharper memory and laser-like focus. Get ready to learn how to become the envy of your colleagues and impress your friends with your incredible recall abilities. Number 1, get enough sleep. Sleep is your brain's best friend, and getting enough of it is essential for consolidating memories and boosting cognitive function. When you snooze, your brain gets busy consolidating the day's events, organizing memories, and creating new neural connections that strengthen your learning and retention. It's like hitting the save button on your brain's hard drive, ensuring that you won't forget that important meeting or the steps to that complicated task. But not all sleep is created equal. Quantity and quality both matter. It's not enough to just lay in bed for 8 hours. You need to make sure you're getting high-quality sleep. That means creating a conducive environment. A cool, dark, and quiet room that promotes relaxation, a comfortable mattress and pillow, and avoiding caffeine, alcohol, and screen time before bed. These simple steps can ensure that you're maximizing your brain's recovery and allowing it to perform at its best the next day. Number 2, exercise regularly. As we always say on our channel, exercise is essential for keeping your body in tip-top shape. But did you know that it's also the secret sauce for a supercharged brain? That's right. Regular physical activity doesn't just benefit your body, it also does wonders for your mind. When you work out, your brain releases a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which acts as a fertilizer for your neurons, promoting the growth of new brain cells and strengthening existing connections. Think of it as miracle-grow for your brain. So whether you're hitting the gym, taking a yoga class, or going for a brisk walk, regular exercise can help you enhance your cognitive function and sharpen your memory. Plus, it's a mood booster that can help you combat stress, anxiety, and depression, all of which can take a toll on your brain's performance. But don't just take our word for it. Studies have shown that people who exercise regularly perform better on cognitive tasks and have a lower risk of developing dementia and other age-related cognitive declines. Number 3, practice mindfulness. One of our favorite things to talk about is practicing mindfulness, and this probably won't be the last time either. Mindfulness meditation has been proven to reduce stress and anxiety, boost focus and attention, and even increase gray matter in the brain, the stuff that helps with memory and decision-making. It's like a mental workout that strengthens your brain's cognitive abilities and keeps it sharp as a tack. So, how do you get started with mindfulness? It's easy. Just find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. When your mind inevitably wanders, as it always does, gently bring it back to your breath without judgment. It's not about clearing your mind of all thoughts. It's about being aware of them and letting them pass without getting caught up in them. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference in your mental clarity and focus. Number 4, stay hydrated. Your brain is like a delicate flower that needs to be nurtured and watered to thrive. And by watered, we mean staying hydrated. That's right. Dehydration doesn't just make you feel thirsty, it can also impair your cognitive function and memory. So, if you want to keep your brain firing on all cylinders, you need to make sure you're drinking plenty of H2O throughout the day. So why is water so important for your brain? Well, your brain is about 75% water, and even mild dehydration can cause headaches, fatigue, and poor cognitive performance. When you're dehydrated, your brain cells shrink, making it harder for them to communicate with each other and retrieve information from your memory. That's why staying hydrated is essential for maintaining your mental clarity, focus, and memory. Number 5. Challenge your brain. If you want to keep your brain sharp and improve your memory and cognitive function, you need to challenge it with some mentally stimulating activities. That means putting down the remote and picking up a puzzle, a book, or even a new skill. Why is it important to challenge your brain? Well, just like your muscles, your brain needs regular exercise to stay in shape. When you engage in mentally stimulating activities, you're building new neural connections and strengthening existing ones, which can enhance your memory, focus, and problem-solving skills. Plus, it's fun. Who doesn't love the feeling of accomplishment when they finally solve that crossword puzzle or finish reading a challenging book? But don't just stick to the activities you're comfortable with. Try something new, like learning a new language, playing an instrument, or even taking up a new hobby. The key is to keep your brain engaged and challenged so it doesn't get bored and stagnate. Well, my brainy buddies, that's a wrap on part 1 of our memory and concentration boosting series. Now that you've got 5 powerful tips under your belt, it's time to put them into action and start seeing some real results. And don't forget, there's still more brain-boosting goodness to come in part 2. So if you want to unlock the full potential of your mind and become a cognitive superhero, make sure to hit that subscribe button for uninterrupted learning. We'll keep you in the loop with all the latest tips, tricks, and brain hacks to help you stay sharp and focused. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you in part 2.